I want to talk about what is a mist and how you would use it. Mists are beautiful, hydrating products that you can use as a part of your skincare regime or any time during the day. We have some mists in our line, of which this Rose Tangerine is an example, that are dual products. They're both a hydrating mist as well as an aromatherapy product. And then we have ones like our replenishing mist that are strictly hydrating and replenishing products without the essential oils. So if you were going to use this in your skincare regime, you would use your mist after you've cleansed your skin. So you would cleanse and then tone if you use a toner. And then you would apply the mist either under a serum or a cream. And this is going to add a little bit of extra water-based hydration, a nice layer of essential oils if that is in the product you're using. And then it's also going to lighten the cream or serum a little bit for quicker absorption. And you will also be able to use a little less serum or cream because the mist is going to be part of your hydration step. So to use, you would just, mist 2 to 3 times on the skin. And then while the mist is sitting on the skin, you would apply your cream or serum right on top. You can also use these products anytime during the day. So if you're wearing makeup or sunscreen and your skin is starting to feel a little dry or tight underneath, you can spray the mist right on top and it will work its way through those products and help replenish your skin. Some of them, like our Rose Tangerine, do double as aromatherapy products. So I like to keep one near me at the computer, or some people like to have them in the car when they're driving, and you can hydrate and refresh as well as get a nice aromatherapy burst anytime during the day. The replenishing mist and our other hydrating mists can also be used on the body. So if you want to have the same effect on your body, you can use them there. And our replenishing mist actually comes in an 8-ounce body size. We hope you can explore this beautiful misting product. We know you're going to love it.